Welcome back to another RTE video. Soon after Supernote released the 2.8.23 beta, install issues occurred, which resulted in ratta pulling the beta. Per their statement, the beta version has been recalled because of a software issue that occurred during the update process. This issue does not exist in case you have already updated successfully. We will inform you as soon as the issue is fixed. We regret any inconvenience caused. Earlier this week, the issue was resolved and a new beta 2.8.24 was released. Along with the previous updates, a few additional changes were made. With minor fixes to improve PDF templates, Wi-Fi transfer was renamed to Browse and Access. I don't know if the name change was needed. Let me know in the comments if Browse and Access is a better name. Should have been kept as Wi-Fi transfer, or should be named something else. Well, that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE. See you in the next video.